Hello everybody, and once again a warm welcome on my show Candid with Candida. Today I have with me two of the most happening personalities. Ishtanu is Mojo Borapurasa, one of the topmost DJs in the house. I can easily say there's a duo of DJ in the house. Please welcome the highly rated, the topmost and the most popular DJ, DJ Claudio Talis, along with the soul shifter, DJ Ketan.
Thank you so much.
Welcome on our show.
Thank you.
So how are you all?
All good, doing great. So
Busy?
Very.
Very much.
The season has been good.
DJs have a high scope, so y'all are busy?
Very busy as well.
Alright. Okay. Claudio, let me start with you. Claudio, if we look at your past, you have achieved a lot of things. Like it's been like nearly 18 years and above you're in the field of DJing. So tell me your experience right from the time you've started till date.
So I started in 1994. I was playing for a 21st birthday and I was 16 years old.
Okay.
That time we only had tapes. So I have
tape recorder.
recorder. So using a pencil, we used to rewind and do something other just to keep the music non-stop and everything. Right now, what I've gone through from tapes to CDs to right now we're going digital. It's a vast difference, and it's a big struggle. But I'm here till now. I'm still playing. It's a big thing for me because there are some guys who I started with in the middle who have stopped playing totally. But it's a big thing.
It's been how many years now?
Oh, December will be 28 years.
28 years.
Yeah.
You're into DJing.
So I've survived as a DJ for 28 years with a lot of ups and downs and all. But I don't regret it. It's the experience which counts.
But did you when you started it, did you ever thought like DJ Claudio would be a name somewhere?
No, I was just, it was my hobby, man. My hobby has become my profession now. I started as a hobby, studied and everything, but honestly, I made more money as a DJ.
Okay. Alright, and DJs have a lot of scope. What do you have to say about that?
Yeah, they have a lot of scope. It depends. You have to focus your mind on it. Yeah, it's trial and error. You just can't give up. It takes a long time. You just can't be famous overnight. It takes a long time. See me, 28 years.
Alright, Ketan, tell me something about what are your achievements so far?
So I've been DJing for the last 18 years plus. I learned under Claudio, by the way. Thanks to him.
Nice.
I'm here actually because of him. And I played most of the time, but not as regular as I do today. I went to Bombay, I completed my MBA. Right now I run my family business during the day. The night I DJ almost 4 to 5 times a week. Okay, and I won, they awarded me, INCA awarded me as one of Goa's best DJs for 2019 that time. That was one of my biggest achievements.
Okay.
So and today we run our own night on Saturdays at Back to Basics, so they've supported us a lot.
Okay.
I'm on Bollywood night on Fridays. Yeah, but the main one's with Claudio on Saturdays.
You seems to be also active in your locality. What do you do? Do you have an initiative that you take up like?
No, not much, but yeah, help out people who are in need, who want to come up in the DJing field and stuff like that. Just help them out, whoever needs it.
Okay, nice. Claudio, tell me something. You are known as one of the top retro music DJ. So, and even you were awarded for...
Yeah.
So, what was the feeling? Because 28 years, and in that 28 years, you have achieved so many things.
So I love playing retro because I grew up listening to retro music from the 70s, 80s, 90s. And there's still right now, there's no one who plays it. So I was only few guys in India who could do it. And I got nominated 3 times. I got nominated, came the top 3 in India. And after I came, I won 1 year, number 1 in India. It's a good achievement here. Yeah.
What is the current scenario, if I can ask you that? What is the scenario that you can see nowadays?
No, retro is coming back, and everybody wants to be a DJ. It's a good thing. Honestly, before when you said you were a DJ and you approached a bank, no one will give you a loan. Now you say a DJ, any bank will support you. The governments are supporting you to get your career started. There's a lot of employment going on because you're a DJ.
You've been the vice president.
Yeah, so I am the vice president of Goa Entertainment Association. So we are a fixed body of all the top musicians in Goa for the past.
So there is a helping hand.
Yeah, so we help all the musicians out here.
Okay. All right. Ketan, tell me something. As he said, that DJ has a scope nowadays. So you can you easily earn bread and butter, doing only DJing, or you need to take up any other
Yes,
occupation?
yes, you can. If you're actually good at what you do, people will obviously book you again. But there comes a point of time where an experienced DJ, earns a bit more than the new upcoming DJs, and that's where undercutting goes on. If you don't do that, stick to your values, and if you play good music, you'll be booked. You'll earn a lot. You'll earn a lot. It goes without saying. You'll earn a lot.
How did you all collab together? How did you all meet?
So we were at. I used to play at different venues. So I was at Koiba, Kavalas, and all. Then I decided to take a break after like doing 7 years and all. So then he said, "I've got a night in Panjim. Let's take it up." And we are the only 2 video DJs in Goa. So and we've been collecting videos for a long time. So let's do a video night. So that's how we build it up. We build a brand up right now. We have done shows in Bombay, here, there. Just we build it up. Now we're going to complete 3 years now.
Yeah, we're going to complete 3 years now.
Since we have started the brand together, back to basics. So we only cater to like do only videos.
And then when you say scope, also video DJing has a lot of scope
Yeah.
now, but not many people get into it because it is a bit expensive
Okay.
to do. Because to source the videos, we buy out of videos. You can't just rip it from YouTube and start playing it.
Right.
You need quality and stuff like that. So yeah, 2 of us, another friend of ours,
Licensing,
Kiran, is doing it too.
Okay.
So,
do you all
yeah.
produce your own music, or is it?
I
is it the
used
same-
to.
Yeah,
Right,
we used
okay.
to. We used to. So now basically, so now I moved into editing and animation. So all our videos and animation I do. So he does remixes sometimes. Like sometimes you don't get a song, we get a remix. So I do the video editing, and we play that.
But then if you only produce music, you put so much of time and effort into it. At the end of the day, you don't end up getting paid for all the work you have put in.
Yeah.
Otherwise, your track either has to be a hit if you want to make money. Otherwise, no. So don't put much time and effort into it.
So should I say or should I not say that DJing is easy job?
It is not an easy job. It is not an easy job. It's lot
To keep
of patience.
balance between health,
Yeah.
family, and your gigs is very difficult. You have to compromise somewhere. You don't get all 3 together.
You
No.
don't get all.
Health, sleep, family, and DJing. No, there's some compromise somewhere. It's not an easy job, as you say.
Okay. Were there any obstacles that came in your way when you took up DJing?
Yeah, there were always obstacles, always undercutting, not getting shows, clients not paying you on time. Those are all the obstacles everybody suffers here. It's in every industry.
Did it happen any time like you've sacrificed because of DJing? Did that come in your way like ekala gonza to sacrifice ke liye because I wanted to be a DJ? Or no?
No,
No, never.
no,
came.
never,
Never.
never. Like for me, I took it as a hobby because
What do you do besides this?
So I honestly, I did electronic engineering, I did sound engineering, I worked in events, and during COVID, I started animation.
Okay.
So now I do a lot of animations for a lot of clubs and here and there, clubs and pubs and all, for their Saturday ads, creatives and all. So that's my second thing. That is my professional thing now. But the DJ was always a hobby for me.
But then it's always good to have a daytime
Yeah, it's a
job.
daytime.
If
Or
you
second
actually
backup.
want to go into DJing, there's a lot of
Backup.
scope, correct? But yeah, if you really want to survive, your career is going to take years and years to take off. By the time you might as well have a side job or a side gig or another hobby that you can pursue, you
Yeah.
can get money too. So
Always have a
both
backup.
ways.
Okay. Okay. What are your future plans?
Future plans.
Expand pan India, but right now there are so many shows in Goa. I mean, we don't get time to go out.
Okay.
So, but yeah, we want to tour India and then do gigs outside, but that's going to take a lot of time.
Okay, Claudia, since you have so much of experience, can you tell me like what is something that has to be changed in the current scenario if you look around when it comes to DJing or music?
Undercutting. It's the main thing. See, and every DJ is different. They develop themselves to what they are good at. So when one guy is charging, for example, X amount, another guy who's less than him thinks he's superior than him, and he undercuts that fellow. This is what happens in the market, and everybody just backstabs everybody else here in the industry. That is happening. It's not about DJing, but it's in every industry, from musicians to everything. It's undercutting. No one is like, okay, let's keep one rate, let's do this and all. No, everybody should be like that. Okay, you are rate the same, we keep that. Don't undercut. That way everybody can make business here, everybody gets business here.
All right. Thank you so much. All the best for your future plans and future endeavors. All the best. And now let's switch on to something very interesting. Okay, I have some a play game for y'all, and the name of the game is I have, never, yes, no. Okay,
Alright.
there'll be set of questions which I'll be asking y'all, and y'all need to just hold on your play cards and answer me. Don't
Okay.
answer by your mouth.
Ah.
Answer me by your play cards.
Sure.
Okay, so
Done.
are y'all ready to go for it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, please.
All right, now I'm having something interesting for y'all. As you can see, these are boards,
Yeah.
and the name of the game is I have, never, and the other one would be yes or no. Okay, so there are 4 boards, one for each. I have, never, and I'm going to ask you a couple of questions, and you need to answer it. We're not via mouth, but you need to just show the board,
All right.
Okay.
whatever is asked. Okay, so are you ready for it?
Yes.
Y'all got scared? No.
Bit nervous. Bit nervous for sure.
I'll make you comfortable now. Good, take it. Pass it on. Ready?
Yes.
Okay. The first question. Have your parents ever caught you in public with your crush without knowing you are dating someone?
No.
Okay. Have you ever stolen a candy bar from a local corner store?
No.
I have. Okay. Have you ever tried to pay for female shopping a bill that was more than 5,000 but who is not your fiancé?
No.
Okay.
Never.
Matching, huh? Have you ever gotten into a serious fight with someone who don't want to do your payment?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, okay. Have you ever fallen asleep in any party place and got called out by security for it?
No.
Clara is thinking now. Okay. Have you ever gotten caught dancing in front of the mirror?
Yeah.
No. I don't dance anyways.
Okay. You're better dancing, I guess.
You make people dance.
Okay. Have you ever had strong feelings for someone who didn't have the same feelings as you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Have you ever gotten arrested?
Really?
Yeah. On my bike, no?
Okay. Have you ever made out with a complete stranger for asking his or her name?
No. Never.
Okay. Have you ever skipped school to do something more fun and gotten caught?
No.
No.
No. Okay. Now we're moving on to yes and no. So please give my boards back. I'll give you the other one.
Oh.
All right. Here they are. Yes and no. First one, have you ever been involved in a car accident that was your fault?
No.
Have you ever tried to sing karaoke at a bar or a club somewhere?
Yes.
For sure.
How was it?
Oh, bad.
Okay. Have you ever glued your hand or finger to something during an arts and craft project?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Have you ever gone more than a 3-day without taking a shower?
No.
No.
Okay. Have you ever gotten caught cheating on a test?
No.
No.
He's confused.
No.
Okay. Okay. Have you ever forgotten someone's name even though you've spent time with them in the past?
Yes.
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 that is every weekend.
Okay. Have you ever drank so much that you ended up blacking out?
No.
He's honest.
No.
Okay. Have you ever run away from home because you were so upset at your parents?
No.
Never.
Okay. Has a teacher ever called on you in class when you didn't know what was going on?
Of course.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well played, both of you. And now we are moving on to something called as rapid fire.
Done.
Okay.
Okay. I all said.
Yes.
Yeah, for sure.
All right. Who's going first?
I'll go first.
You go first.
Okay. So rapid fire round with Ketan.
Thank you.
DJ Ketan. Okay. Which is the best time to wake you up?
9 a.m.
9 a.m.
Yeah.
Early
that's-
morning.
Yeah, that's the
You
perfect
play
time.
so night and you wake up early morning.
Sometimes if it's a late night, then no. Otherwise, regular 9 to 10 anyway.
Okay. Favorite thing you have to do when you have a day off?
Play with my daughter.
Okay. What is your go-to dance move?
I don't dance. I'm a bad dancer. Pathetic dancer.
Okay. Your favorite festival?
Used to be Sunburn and Supersonic, but that doesn't happen in Goa anymore. So nothing.
Okay. First thing you did when you woke up this morning? I mean this morning.
Brushed my teeth. Yeah, that's just normal.
Okay. What is the DJ strategy for getting a crowd going, if he or she even has one?
Good music. Good music.
How long does the DJ prepare before a gig?
It's come to a point of time I don't, but yeah, usually 1 hour if it's needed. at all.
Okay. Okay. What is your favorite alcoholic beverage?
Jägermeister for sure.
What would you change about yourself?
My eating habit and my health, yeah, that's for sure.
Okay. What's the best compliment you've ever gotten?
The music's excellent for sure.
Would you rather find your dream job or win the lottery?
Win the lottery, why not? But yeah, dream job will get you through the day. For
What advice would you give your young self?
sure. Just stay healthy, give time to family, and do the right thing of finding the right job for sure.
All right, moving on to Claudio now. Are you nervous? Okay, let me start. Most exciting thing in your life right now?
Actually, nothing.
Nothing. Nothing is interesting.
No.
Okay. If you're putting together a music festival right now, who would have you lined with besides you?
Besides me, him.
Okay. All right. Best thing about being a DJ?
You can make people dance on your fingertips.
Okay. Worst thing about being a DJ?
Late nights.
Okay. Something you always bring with you when you take shower?
My phone. Usually I get calls at the odd times.
Okay. A book you love?
Oh, I love anything by Matthew Raleigh or James Rollins.
Instagram or Twitter?
Instagram.
Best follower on Instagram?
Oh, I don't know. I not checked.
Okay. Song that always makes you dance?
Oh, that is Friday I'm in Love by The Cure.
Okay. Most memorable show you have played?
Most memorable show, actually, there are a lot to count.
Okay. Most memorable show you saw?
Iron Maiden in India.
Okay. A place you still have in your bucket list where you haven't gone yet?
Bucket list, it's Turkey.
Okay. When are you most productive?
Usually in the mornings.
Okay. What is your favorite type of music?
Retro and jazz.
Okay. In which subject were you worst at school?
Science.
Okay.
No, actually it was Hindi.
Hindi. Your Hindi is bad. Let me test it.
My Hindi is really bad.
All right. Well played, yeah, both of
Thank
you.
you.
Now
Thank you so much.
we are moving on with the final round, and
Okay.
it's going to be very interesting. It's just called as Picture It Out.
Okay.
Okay.
Are you ready for it?
Yeah,
Yes.
for sure.
Okay. All right. Now we've come to our final round, and it is called as Picture It Out. So as you can see, this is the placards over here, and behind it is a widescreen board. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to take out one placard at a time. Okay, and then read it what is there and picture it out.
Okay.
And your partner has to guess it.
Alright.
So are you all set?
Yes.
Okay. Drawing up bura hale.
Can make do.
Okay. All right. Who's going first?
Me.
Okay.
Sorry.
Which number do you want?
4.
4. Sure.
Yeah, for sure.
Your partner wants to support you.
Okay.
Sure.
Go for it.
Okay. Okay. You have just 30 seconds.
Fish and chips.
Yes.
Yeah, right. Done.
Well versed with it, huh? All right. Okay.
Number 1.
1.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
He saw it.
No, I don't think it's right.
Ready?
Yeah, ready.
Time
For sure.
starts now. Come on.
Sun.
Come on. Keep on guessing.
Disco ball. Lights. People dancing.
Come on.
Disco. Club, yeah, it's a club. DJ. Disco.
30 seconds.
DJ you're talking about. Tiesto. Which DJ?
Done. Say it.
It's supposed to be a retro night, no, with a disco ball.
All right.
Don't say you didn't get that.
So Claudio, all set?
Yes.
Which is the number you want?
7.
7. Lucky number?
No.
Okay. Okay. See if it's lucky for you.
Oh.
Here's your marker.
Okay.
And Your time starts now. 30 seconds. Ketan. Come on,
Horse
say it.
riding, horse, cowboy, get down off the horse. What? Saddle,
You're close to it.
saddle, horse, horseback, piggyback,
Say it.
jump, horse jump a horse.
You were
Yes,
close.
Mr.
You already said it. Just missed one word.
Get off from the high horse.
Oh, get off on the high.
Okay. Next number.
Number 2.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay. You're welcome. All right. And your time starts now. He's becoming a teacher. You've got 30 seconds. Think.
Fridge, door,
Say it.
foot in the door.
Yes.
Oh.
You said it exactly right. Okay, Ketan, it's your turn now. Okay, let me just give you change it a little bit. Claudia, you choose a number for him. You now decide you want to make him fall in trouble or what?
8.
8.
Done it. He says so.
He's going with your guru.
Yes.
See if it's lucky for you. So, your time starts now. Come on. 30 seconds, Claudia.
Swimming pool. Jump in the pool. Jump in the hole.
Say it.
Well, jump in the well.
Yes. You got it right. Alright, which is the next number?
3.
3.
3.
Yeah, 3 will do.
Do you think it's going to be lucky for you?
Hope so.
Okay.
Hope so. Done.
Done? Alright?
Yeah.
So, your time starts now. Come on, 30 seconds.
Pig. Piggy bank.
Yes.
It's more like a rat.
Alright, okay.
Choose better.
Claudia, you need to switch it.
Yeah.
Okay, now there are only 2 cards left over here. Okay, so 1, 1.
Yeah,
Okay, 1 his turn, then you.
done.
Alright. Ketan, which number?
We'll go with 5 first. And then 6.
5.
Yeah, 6 will be the last number.
Okay. I think it's going to be difficult for you.
I think all the difficult ones usually got. For sure.
Your time starts now. 30 seconds, Ketan. Come on.
Heart, eye, love. Love at first sight.
Yes.
Arey.
So nice clue he gave you. A heart and an eye. Alright. The next number. The one and only. 6. Are you ready for it?
Yeah.
Come on. Your time starts now. 30 seconds. I think it's going to be tough.
Devil. It's a frog.
Somehow you managed to draw a frog.
Man. Frogman. Froggy man. You. Mask.
Say it.
Heart. Stomach. Frog in the head. Frog in the mouth. Foot in the mouth.
Frog in the throat.
Frog in the
Oh.
throat.
Really?
I'm trying to use that body.
Alright. Well played. Well played.
Thank you so much.
And some of you guessed it right, some of you guessed it wrong. But then it's okay. So now we've reached the final round and we've done it. And सगळे राउंड तुम्ही मजा बरे भशेन खेळले आणि तुमचो मोलादीक वेळ आमच्या खातीर दिलो म्हण आमी काल जनता तुमकां दोगांयक
Thank you so
देव
much.
बरें
Thank you so
करूं
much for
म्हणटा.
having us.
Last but not the least, I need a small message from you to the younger generation who is watching the episode today.
Small message. Go forward. Don't look back. That's it, yeah. Whatever the trial and error that happens in life.
Do whatever you're comfortable at, and actually never look back. Yeah, go for it. Just go for it. That's all. Don't think twice. Everything happens for good. It happens.
Everything happens for the best.
All right, thank you so much for coming here and giving your precious time for us. And this is a small token of appreciation from the team Prudent Media for both of you. This is for you,
Thank
Kerstin.
you.
And
Thank
this
you
for
so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much. तुमकां सगळ्यांक आमची कार्यबोल पळयतल्यांक चडांत चड देव बरें करूं. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडियाचेर कॅन्डिड विथ कॅनडा.